proudly sponsored by Callow Organic Beef Stock Cubes. That's how you're supposed to do it.
Whoops. A bit like that, I think. There you go.
Hello and welcome to Let's Play Pandemic Fall of Rome. So, we've just set up the game and we're going to play our first turn. This is our second time playing, but we found out the first time we didn't actually follow the rules correctly. So, there's two of us playing, we'll see how we do as the game progresses. Our starting position is Genoa as the consul and Constantinopolis as the Mercator. And the Huns have already invaded Philippopolis, Carnartum, and Magna Taicum is being overrun by Anglo-Saxons and I don't know who the blacks are. The blacks as well. Discard a card. Fortify. Discard a city card that matches your city to add a fort from the supply to your city. If all forts are in use, move a fort to your city from another city on the board. So you've got... Oh, okay. So that's 1, 2... So that means 2 barbarians are killed by the legionary. I think you also lose the legionary. Whereas this means the barbarian dies, but the legionary doesn't. So... that was that. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, cool, so you've done it. So you've obliterated it. So we have liberated Magna Tacium and reinforced the border with Germania, which will push these pesky Germans back. So, I think that's it.
Yeah.
So, do you now want to do invasion?
Yeah.
So I think we now just turn over one of these. And that's where they invade. So they're invading Sinope, and that's on the Turkish coast. Now, as they're already in Chersonesus, they can then be placed into Sinope. So they've already moved there. So it's my go. I'm going to probably... I'm going to build a fort. That's my go in Constantinople. And then I'm going to... Oh wait, if I recruit, do I have to recruit all 3? It says, the number of legions you place is equal to the recruitment rate. So, as I'm recruiting an army, I place 3 here. Which I think is what we did last time, but I'm now getting confused. So, I'm now going to go with my army. So that was 1, 2. And then what I will probably do is go 3, 4. So I'm going to go to Philippopolis and try and take it out. So we forced march from Constantinople across the mountains to Philippopolis. So I'm going to commit 2 of my legionaries. And unfortunately, one of my legionaries died, and the other one killed 2. So... and that was 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's it. There's still one person in Philippopolis. Maybe I should have committed them all at this stage, because I could have just recruited. So now I need to do invasion for me. They're going to Lutetia. However, they're in Carnartum, so they're going to advance on Ivolvum. So now you'll go.
I can.
No, it's okay.
Because it has got only one bar. Okay.
Well, it's up to you. You just have to click this anyway.
Yeah.
It's okay. Oh, sorry, did I draw 2 cards? You didn't draw 2 cards either. We were supposed to draw 2 and resolve if there were any. So there weren't any, so you can just have that. So now we have enough to collect. And then I'm going to draw 2. So I've got an action card. So I can draw a city card from the matching the city from the player discard pile. So if people use a card, I can recover it. Or I can use the corruption action and draw any card from the player discard pile. I'm going to save that rather than playing it as there's no discard pile. So that's that. We didn't have a revolt. So it's now your second go. With 4 turns remaining, and having suffered 4 revolts, the Empire was successfully defended. Having allied with the Vandals, Visigoths and Ostrogoths, and having beaten back the Angles and Franks and the Huns, the Empire was safe.